We are here to help. We only succeed when you guys succeed.
We wanted to partner with a city council that we felt was forward-looking and ambitious for its city. But ultimately what we're here to do is build confidence and skills.
Wolverhampton is a city with young people. It needs as much innovation as possible. We've had a really rough time over the years, but now we're beginning to grow.
We wanted to partner with eBay because we recognise the challenges that are to the high street that are here now and coming in the future.
A lot of the traditional jobs have disappeared. Anything that can bring a very proud area back onto the forefront, I find that exciting.
Being able to actually grow our business in the city of Wolverhampton is a fantastic opportunity with the help of the retail revival.
There's definitely a positive vibe around the city and how it's looking forward and developing.
And it's growing Wolverhampton into what it needs to be, which is put on a national stage, an international stage.
Keep updated on awards news, as well as tips to grow your business. Subscribe to our channel on YouTube and click the bell icon to enable notifications. YouTube will let you know as soon as new videos are available.